My name is Ron Soft, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a promotions page off of Subcon. So we're showing that has two browsers open. I usually have Chrome and Firefox open. So we're going to use Chicago Tribune, for example. Chicago Tribune. And then this page right here is when we pull all of our information off of. This is going to be all of our new. So click landing pages. It's the page that you get to running the promotions ASPX page. So for this one, we'll select usually you'll have one you'll pick from, but for this we'll just use one I've done in the past. And then so this one, instead of selecting a template, you're going to click add new. So this one, I'm just going to make a video. And then copy. And then right here, copy, paste it. And then for this, instead of copying and pasting like this, you're going to want to click source for all, copy, same here, source, and then paste the HTML. And then submit, and then you're done with that one. So now click server cache, and we're going to go over to the promotions page, and this is where you do print plus digital plus or just digital plus. So first one we want to pull is the digital plus, and so once again we're going to add new, and then I'm just going to name this one video underscore video, and then copy. Make sure you click source, copy, and then for this right here, got the button title on that. Digital only. And then this you leave unchecked, and this you leave unchecked. This is used for discounts, and then this one right here is for the zip code, and you only use this one for print. So right here is source, and then source again. And then lost. So now this is your digital plus print for myself. Okay. And that's it. So now we're going to do another one. So just click off of it and then go back to promotions. It's in here. Go back to promotions, and I'll clear the server cache on both. Okay. And now we're going to do print plus digital plus. And like I said, I'm adding new one here. Source, and then the button titles right here. See available options, because now we have two options, so the button's going to want you to see more than one. Usually this one I believe is a 7-day and then a Sunday, and then this one's zip. See, like this zip has something because we need a zip code. Okay. So yeah, since we need a zip code, make sure you check this to on. And no promo. So we're going to click source, and then click source, copy that, paste it over, and then last but not least, so now click submit, and we're going to click server cache, and now we're going to go to the promo options page. So with this one, we have options once again, but this time see how we have 3 right here, because now we have a Sunday digital plus, 7-day, and then the actual digital plus. So first we'll do digital plus. So add new, and just do video, digital, no image, button URL, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, so now with this, we have certain product ID or PIDs that we have. Like this one's 5044, that's from this one. So say you're doing a promotions page for yourself, you're going to get a new PID which you want to input here. This is the Digital Plus one, so I have a couple sample ones. So this one is 5048. So now we're going to change this one to 48. So it's different from that, and then we click submit. And now it's just our Digital Plus. So now let's just go back options and I click add new, and then we can do Sunday. So now I'm just going to do video Sunday plus. Okay. Now this one has an image. I'll copy this one. Copy this one. See how once again 5045. This one for 7-day or Sunday is just 5049. Let me change this one right here. 5049, and then the title, copy. Okay, so the image on this one is just the checkbox image for the amount of days we off the paper. See? Alright. So once you're done with this, just click submit. And then the last one is our 7-day plus Digital Plus. And so this one, just click the 7-day, get all the info for that. And so, oops, sorry. You want to click add new, and then video. Alright, so copy, paste, copy, paste. So again, you want to change this one since it's a 7-day. It's 50. And sometimes I just know. Okay, so now we gotta go back upwards. Since we made the promotions options, we have to go back to the promotions and implement them into our promotions page. So we go here, and then now this is where you select the promotions made in the past. So now we have video digital, and then video print plus Digital Plus. First we'll do the Digital Plus. So this is where we have all the info here. I'm gonna scroll down and click select a promotion. Let's see, we have all this stuff right here. Video Digital Plus, and right here at the bottom we have Video Digital Plus. It's a successfully updated promotion assignment, and it's submit. There you go. So now we just click promotions one more time again, and so you go to Video Print plus Digital Plus, information right there. So Video Print plus Digital Plus. Now, for promotions for this one, since we have two options, I usually do the two, so I'll just do Video Sunday plus Digital Plus, and then I'll click it again, and then do Video 7-day plus Digital Plus. To successfully update, and just click next in case. Go to the landing pages, and then clear server cache, and then you should be good to go. Just make sure everything's on here. Yep, so everything's good to go. Now I'm going to show you guys what to do on the website. Okay, so this is the testing page for Chicago Tribune. See my account, test.a Chicago Tribune. So what we're going to do here after the promotions, to make sure everything is running correctly, you type this in at the end, right? So now we have Digital Plus test, and then Video 123. I changed the name of the video because it wasn't showing up, but now it is. So Video 123 is the landing page title. So I'll show you guys. Yeah, right here, Video 123. So that's it right there, and just plug that in. So now we go to promotions and make sure, see how it says test right here next to Digital Plus. I just put that in to make sure I was editing the right page, and so we would know. So now, right here on the button URL, the PID we put was 5048, And when we click get access now, we want to make sure that's going to show up in the URL to make sure that's the right PID. So see how it is right here. So now we go back and we want to type in a zip code. And you can't click entry, make sure you have to click see available options, and we have the two options here. So Sunday delivery, I believe is 5049, yep, so that works correctly. And this is going to get changed, this is just for the test, so the image isn't usually this big at all. And sometimes we may have an image here. And then the last one should be 5050, and boom, yep, it is right here, 5050. You're good to go. All the information's right here. So now you guys know how to create promotions pages for any of the T8 websites, and it's very simple. So there you go.